Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jojo and today we are on day 10 of the 12 days of Christmas. We are so close to the end, and our sponsor for today's video is Crafts Be Unique. So she's a creative painter, Kenyan painter of course, and I'll take you through her page and you get to see some of the items that she has done. You get to see some of the pieces that she has done. She's quite talented, and at the end of the video she's going to be giving away a watercolor framed picture, so make sure you stay until the end and get to see what you're in for. So without wasting more time, let's get to the page. As I mentioned, her page is Crafts Be Unique, and her bio is my creativity stories with pictures. So we will go through and see the kind of art that she does. So for this one, you can see that she has done a house plant, and guys, these things are painted, so you can tell how creative she is. This is Santorini, so for those who would love to go to Santorini, you can have this on your vision board. This is so beautiful. And we have a watercolor painting, a cocktail painting, so you can use this maybe on your bar area. If you have a bar area in your house, you can frame this. This is so beautiful. You can see that she has done some pancakes. Yeah, she's talented. This is some talent. We have some dolphins here, so you can wow, you can tell that she's talented from the paintings that she has done, the landscape painting. So you can see the kind of painting that she does. Yeah, this is creative. She's very creative. So this is what her page has. And if you're interested in getting maybe like a unique piece for your home, because art is the only thing that you can have that is so unique to you. So if you want to have maybe like you have an idea, you can definitely reach out to her and she will do the painting for you. So in today's video, she's giving away a watercolor framed photo, and if you'd love to have these unique pieces in your space, kindly comment down in the comment section below that you're interested, and I'll be choosing a winner tomorrow morning. So I'll see you tomorrow with yet another giveaway. Bye.